Okay guys, so you just want to measure out where exactly you want the mason jars to lie. So that's what the blue dots were for. And the blue dots were just so that I would be able to go back and see exactly where I wanted each jar to lie. Now on this part, it was really hard for me to get the screws to go through the hose clamps. So I realized that I should pre-drill a hole so that it would be a little bit easier for me to take the drill bit and go through the hose clamp with the extra screw. So my advice would be to just drill a small hole first and then go through the hole with the actual screw.